Here's my Sega Nomad up and running. Center positive is a hard thing to get a handle on. I had the voltage running from this DC to DC converter back to front, which just resulted in nothing happening. Thankfully it didn't, or doesn't look like it's damaged anything. As you can see, we now have Jurassic Park running. Now, the DC in port is absolutely shot. It's in about 3 or 4 pieces at the moment, so I don't know whether to try and fix it up or whether to just rig up a cable permanently. But as you can see up here, see if I can get a focus on it. The answer is no. There we go. Just try zooming in. So I don't know if you can see that, but I've soldered black, which is the negative, and red, which is the positive, in that order. Red is connected to TP201 and black is connected to TP202. From what I can see, TP202 and TP203 join on the actual DC in port, so that's working. So I'm very happy with that. Whoa, dinosaurs. I thought you only got to play as Sam Neill. That looks like a Velociraptor to me. Go Velociraptor. This really does look like a good game. So thanks to my little DC to DC converter, we've got some Nomad life. Thank everyone. It's a party time. Oh yeah, check retrojunkie.net for more on this. I'll be documenting what I do and what I find. Peace out, everyone.